Here's a simple way to make a stunning autumn decoration that will impress everyone. You don't need much for this project. Just colorful autumn leaves and an ordinary paper cup. Start by preparing the cup. Cut off the top and make an opening. This will serve as the base for the decoration. Place the first leaf on top of the cup and gently attach it with hot glue. Then add more leaves, placing them neatly next to each other. Take your time, because the look of your decoration depends on this step. The first layer should cover the bottom of the cup completely. Once it's done, start adding more layers, gluing each leaf so it slightly overlaps the previous one. This way, the whole piece begins to resemble natural petals. The more leaves you use, the fuller and more realistic it will look. When the cup is fully covered, turn it upside down. Now you can see the final result. A simple cup and some autumn leaves transformed into a beautiful autumn rose, perfect as a table or window decoration. A quick trick with a truly stunning effect.